How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three bars and go to your profile. Now, search for privacy and safety and then select end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap message storage and you will see the last backup option. You have to back up your chats on account. Go back to your profile. Scroll down to the end and go to Account Center. Tap the Your Information and Permissions option. Next, select Download Your Information and tap Download Information. Choose your Facebook profile and then the information you want. After that, select Messages and tap Next. Select the Download to Device option. At the end, you have to create files to download. Tap Create Files and then your message information will be downloaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.